Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. So in today's video guys, I came across some undeletable folder that you cannot delete by clicking on remove or delete on your Windows. So in this video I will show you how you can do it quickly and easily. So in order to do this, we're gonna use those three commands and we're gonna need the CMD. So go over search and type CMD and open this as administrator. Then a new pop-up will appear of the command prompt, and now guys, all you need to do is just type those three commands by order. So we're gonna start with the CD, and then as you can see, and then here we're gonna need the location of those files. So in order to get the location of those files, just copy this URL location at the top of the folder, as you can see, or you can just go over property of the file and you will find here a location here, the location of the file. Copy this guys, and then here all you need to do is click on paste, as you can see here, or just right click here and you will find paste here. So now click OK on enter, and now as you can see we are on the right location of those files. So now we're gonna need this command here, as you can see guys. So just copy this and then paste this guys and go hit the enter, and here you will find all the folder and the file available on under this location. As you can see, I have those two files here, and immediately search for the name of the file, as you can see, and copy this signification here at the bottom of the file here, as you can see. Copy this guys, or just use right click here and edit and then copy, and here you will need to type this command rmdir and /q and /s, and then guys paste this name here and go hit enter, and immediately guys the file is disappeared. As you can see, the file is deleted immediately. You will just need to do the same process to delete this second file. So copy this command here guys, copy this and paste this here, as you can see, and then we will need this little name here, the signification of this file. Copy this and then paste this here and click enter, and here immediately the folder here is empty now. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a like and a comment if you want to ask about something. Thank you guys.